Hello guys, welcome to our channel A to Z PCO. We provide one-to-one and group training, and you can contact us through the mobile number that is mentioned on the channel. So we look into Bridge Avenue to Rutland Grove. So let's get into this. So we've got these 2 points here. So we're traveling from green to this red point. So let's zoom in a bit. And to do this, we can see that we're starting from this point. So click on this point, come back, and then we'll go up, staying on the left side. Then we go this way and keep on going this way. So let's zoom out a bit just to show you where exactly we are. So keep going this way, this way. So this is a roundabout here. So we take this roundabout and then we come out from here. So remember, this is a flyover, so we are not there, so we can come this way here. So you can go here, and again this is a roundabout underneath this flyover, so we are fine here. Come here this way, and then we can come down from here, go straight, and then we can get to this point. So that's what we have. So the only thing here is that it's a roundabout, so don't make a mistake to get on this road, which is a flyover. So this is a roundabout, take a roundabout, stay here, and this is a small roundabout here as well, and then you just come here and then get to this point. Okay, thank you for watching.